Made especially for those who have been using Ultra Safety Plus for many years, this video, highlighting the new features of Ultra Safety Plus Twist, is here to help ease your transition to the new device. First, the handles are different. Ultra Safety Plus had a black autoclavable handle. The black handle should now be discarded, as it cannot be used with a twist syringe. The two systems are not interchangeable. Ultra Safety Plus Twist should now be used with the blue twist autoclavable handle, which has a twist engraving on the finger grip. How to put together the device. With Ultra Safety Plus, you had to insert the handle into the open end of the syringe directly behind the cartridge and push firmly so the barrel would rest against the handle. Ultra Safety Plus Twist now has a new patented locking system. Align the pins on the handle with the notch of the barrel, then push until the end. When the handle is fully inserted, twist the finger grip clockwise to lock the barrel. How to separate the device. If you need to change the cartridge or dispose of the syringe, with Ultra Safety Plus, you could just separate the handle from the syringe body by pulling them apart. Now, with Ultra Safety Plus Twist, to remove the blue handle, ensure the plunger is fully retracted from the cartridge. Rotate the handle anti-clockwise, then carefully pull the two components straight apart until the pins escape from the notches. Do not attempt to separate the handle from the syringe without first unlocking. Do not attempt to snap the syringe out of the handle by bending. Ensure that it's unlocked and pulled straight apart. Do not bend.